everyone. Kedu Kaime. Everyone, welcome to my today's class. My name is Kosi Sochukwu, proudly known as Akwugo Ndị Igbo. Today, I'll be taking us on a very important topic, of which anyone who wishes to learn Igbo language must know before he or she will be able to read or write any language. Please do not panic. Do not panic. The topic is very simple. The topic is very simple. And Igbo language as well is one of the easiest language to learn. So please do not fear. You will get everything with me. I'll be taking it step by step and slowly. You will learn it better. So today, I'll be taking us into the topic mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. That is our topic for today. What is mkpụrụ edemede Igbo? It is just the alphabets of Igbo language. You know, it should be one of the basic things you should know before you be able to read or write any language. So that's why I decided to pick it today, to teach us how to pronounce the Igbo alphabets and write them as well. So, the Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. The Igbos have 36 alphabets, which we use in writing words, forming sentences, and so on. So today, we are going to look into those alphabets to see how they are, to listen to how they are pronounced, and to see how they are written. So, you can say that the Igbo alphabets are 36 in Igbo. You will say, mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị 36. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị 36. Mkpụrụ edemede Igbo dị 36. Now, we will go to the board for us to see how these letters are written and how they are pronounced. Let's go. This is, when you look at this board, you will see that the Igbo alphabets are written in capital and in small letters. They are written with the capital and the small letters. The capital letters in Igbo, we call it nnukwu abidi na obere abidi. That is the big letter and the small letter. Nnukwu abidi is the big letter, while obere abidi is the small letters. Now, let's listen to the pronunciations. This is nnukwu a, obere a, nnukwu a, obere a, nnukwu b, obere b, nnukwu b, obere b. That is a, b, chi, d, e, fi, gi, wi, re, gwi, hi, i, je, ki, pi, qui, li, mi, ni, ngwi, nyi, o, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, T, U, U, O, O, V, V, we, yeah, zin, zin. So these are the alphabets of Igbo language. The alphabets of Igbo language. Remember, I told you that the Igbo language has 36 alphabets, and these 36 alphabets were divided into two. They were divided into two. That is, ekere mkpụrụ abịdị Igbo ụzọ abụọ. Ekere mkpụrụ abịdị Igbo ụzọ abụọ. That is, the Igbo alphabets were divided into two. Abụọ simply means two. So they are divided into the consonants and the vowels. The consonants and the vowels. But that will be in our next class. We will treat them.